Good morning everyone. My name is Swarik Shukla. I am from class 10. Today I will be presenting a simple and interesting science experiment demonstrating two key concepts of light: the Tyndall effect and the refraction. With the help of basic materials, we will understand how light scatters when going in a colloidal solution and it does the Tyndall effect, and how light bends when going from one medium to another medium. We are using very simple materials that are easily available in the market. First material is a transparent bottle and second material is a lemon soda. And third material that is required in this experiment is a laser light. Let's go through this experiment step by step. Filling this bottle with lemon soda, and second step will be making the room dark so we can see the light clearly. And third step will be shining the laser light through the bottle horizontally like this. And fourth step will be observing the experiment from the side.
In this experiment, we can see when a laser light enters the lemon soda, it bends because it's moving from air to liquid. This is called refraction. The soda's particles and bubbles changes the light's speed slightly, making the beam bend and glow inside the bottle.
Now we will shake this bottle again and again like this, and we will shine the laser light through it horizontally again. But this time it will not show the reflection because this time the carbon dioxide bubbles had been produced in this solution, and it is now temporarily acting as a colloidal solution, due to which instead of refraction phenomena, the Tyndall effect phenomena is happening in this solution. And now we will do this experiment.
In this experiment, we are showing colloidal solution when lemon water becomes a colloidal solution when shaken, because small particles get suspended in it. When we shine a laser or light through it, the light scatters due to these tiny particles. This scattering is called the Tyndall effect, and it makes the lemon water glow.
Now we have done a simple experiment that perfectly demonstrates two key concepts of light: the Tyndall effect and the refraction. And the two examples of Tyndall effect is fog and laser light in a dark room. And two examples of refraction are: the first example of refraction is a lenses that we use in our daily life, and second example of refraction is why the blue sky looks bent in a glass of water. And now we can perfectly say that science is all around us, even in our daily brew. We drink it every day. Thank you very much.